Yo, what's up, yo? Welcome to your advanced scripting tutorial part 2. We're going to be learning how to block remotes from firing with hook meta method. So this would be in case you want to say there's a remote you don't want to fire. I'll be testing this in my game. So I made this game. So cannot talk. You shoot this little thing out, you press on it, right? And it fires a remote called shot, right? But say you didn't want this remote to fire. So what we would do is we would do local shot hook. Then not gonna use it right now, but we're gonna define it later. Shot hook equals hook meta method game comma underscore name call. And we use what we're trying to hook, whatever we're trying to hook is inside the game, comma, and then we're gonna do name call because it's a remote event. It's something that's being called. If we want to say we want to hook a property, we do index, but we're just gonna be doing name call. And then we're gonna replace it with our new function that we're gonna spoof it with, self, comma, dot. And then we're gonna do local args equals, put these little things around it, args equals dot, which is the second parameter, which we're just stating this as basically nothing right now, but it's gonna be these are just gonna be whatever we're calling inside of a remote event. We're gonna these dots, and then we're gonna do local method equals get name call method, and then we can do if toString. So if toString self equals shot. So what this says is if we turn this into a string value, which is with parentheses, if the name of the remote we're trying to hook is shot, and args and method equals fire server. So it's gonna check to see whenever it's called, is it fire server? Is it saying at the end fire server, or is it saying something else? We're checking it, see if it says fire server, and then we're gonna return. We can do warn, or just do warn remote tried to fire. And then after this we're gonna do return shot hook self comma unpack args. Now what this will do is it returns, so every time the remote's called, this is what actually shows it spoof it. So every time it's called, it's just going to keep returning the shot hook, what we put in. So now if we test this, actually, wait, hold up. Hold up. Back to my code real quick. Okay, hold on. Return nil. This will actually break it. Okay, this should break it right here. So, yep, right here. See? The remote completely stopped firing. As you can see, it's not firing no more. You can watch it. See, it's not firing no more. Now it will just not fire no more. Completely broke the remote, and now it stops firing. This is very useful if you're trying to have a game that's has a remote that's kicking you, or yeah, you can use this to basically just break any remote you want in the game that is causing a problem or that needs to be broken for a certain feature. But yeah, so that's our guys' advanced scripting tutorial part 2. Part 3 will be dropping probably later today or tomorrow. But yeah, see you guys.